In Indian tradition, every auspicious occasion begins with an invocation to Lord Ganesha, the harbinger of wisdom, strength, and serenity, qualities that beautifully align with the spirit of yoga and rhythm. In this soulful presentation that we are going to witness, students from different units of Bal Bharati schools will perform a graceful sequence of yogic asanas set to rhythmic music. Each posture reflects strength, balance, and focus, mirroring the divine qualities of Lord Ganesha and aiming to awaken awareness, discipline, and inner peace. More than a display of physical agility, this presentation is a celebration of India's rich cultural and spiritual legacy, a harmonious blend of movement and mindfulness offered in reverence and devotion.
गणपतये नमः वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा ॐ गं गणपतये गं गणपतये नमः ॐ गं गणपतये गं गणपतये नमः सुखकर्ता दुःखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची नुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उटिशेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव
लंबोदर तू विनायका तू अन्नोणेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया लंबोदर तू विनायका तू अन्नोणेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया वक्रतुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धि विनायका विघ्नराज तू महाताज तू महेशाय तू मोरया चिंतामणि तू सिद्धिनायक गणाधीशाय मोरया वक्रतुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धि विनायका वक्रतुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धि विनायका गजानन 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 गणराया गजानन 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 गणराया गजानन 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 गणराया
Thank you, dear students, for that exhilarating display of absolute divinity. Thank you so much.
योग वह कला है जिसमें प्रत्येक कोशिका एक नर्तकी है, हर सांस उसका संगीत है, हमारा शरीर उसका आंगन है, प्राण उसका नायक और हमारा मस्तिष्क उसका रंगमंच है। भगवान बुद्ध के अनुसार हम जैसा सोचते हैं वैसे ही बन जाते हैं। निरंतर चलायमान वह योग रूपी नृत्य हमारे मन व मस्तिष्क को असीम शांति प्रदान करता है, जिसकी प्रत्येक मुद्रा में निहित है एक संदेश। प्रत्येक श्वास में बसी है एक प्रार्थना। यह मात्र साधना नहीं बल्कि एक जीवन पद्धति है जो हमें अपने साथ साथ इस संपूर्ण सृष्टि से जोड़ती है। इन्हीं विचारों को मुखर कर रही है बाल भारती विद्यालय के छात्रों की यह अग्रिम प्रस्तुति।
Shah
Thank you, dear students, for recreating this magical harmony of mind, body, and soul with that spectacular performance. Thank you so much.
सती के आत्मदाह उपरांत संसार से विमुख हो शिव जब पुनः ध्यानस्थ हो समाधि में लीन हो गए तो उनकी अर्धांगिनी पार्वती ने उन्हें सांसारिक कर्तव्यों के प्रति उन्मुख किया। फलस्वरूप महादेव शिव ने आदि योगी का रूप धारण कर संसार को सप्त ऋषियों के माध्यम से योग की दीक्षा दी। संभाव को प्रदर्शित करता शिव का अर्धनारीश्वर रूप वस्तुतः दो विपरीत तत्वों यानी शिव और शक्ति का संसारोत्पत्ति हेतु मिलन है। इसी गाथा को एक भव्य प्रस्तुति के रूप में अपने नृत्य रूपी यौगिक मुद्राओं से प्रदर्शित करने आ रहे हैं हमारे बाल भारती के योग शिक्षार्थी।
We meditate upon Lord Shiva, who is the embodiment of yoga and its supreme master. By receiving the gift of yoga from this divine source, one certainly becomes a true yogi.
नमो शंकरा मेरे शंकरा तू ही सत्य है ओ परमेश्वरा हे आदि अनंत वासुदेव साईं तू लय भी है तू ही प्रलय महादेवा तू साकार है और निराकार भी तू योगी वैरागी शिवा जटाधारी तू जोगी शिवा तेरे डमरू से स्वर जो सृष्टि है धड़कन शिवा ओ शिवा नमो शिवा
Lord Shiva imparted the knowledge of yoga to the Saptarishis, who then passed it on to their disciples for the welfare of the world.
संभाव ही योग है। इसका सुंदर उदाहरण है भगवान शिव का अर्धनारीश्वर रूप। शव यानी शरीर तब तक निष्क्रिय है जब तक उसमें शक्ति नहीं है। यही है योग, जहाँ दो विपरीत तत्वों का संतुलन होता है।
चंद्रचूड़ शिव शंकर पार्वती रमण चर्मांबरधर चंद्रचूड़ शिव
शिव शिव शिवाय शिव शिव शिवाय शंकर शिव शिव शिवाय शिव शिव शिवाय शिव शिव शिवाय शंकर परम भूतेषु शंभो सर्व सर्वेषु शंभो वीरभद्राय शंभो रुद्रदेवाय शंभो महादेवाय शंभो अघोरेशाय शंभो चंद्रचूड स्वयंभो विश्वनाथ स्वयंभो।
Thank you, dear students, for such an extravagant display of Shiva's immense power, further deepening our belief. Sada Shiva, Sarvada Shiva. Always Shiv, always Shiv. And now, may I call upon stage, with immense gratitude and honor, Mrs. Asha Prabhakar, Convener, Sports Council, Child Education Society, and Principal Bal Bharti Public School, Noida, to propose a vote of thanks. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon and namaskar. As Mr. Sehgal said in his welcome address, yoga is a journey of the self, through the self, to the self. On this note, on behalf of the Sports Council, Child Education Society, and as convener of the Sports Council, I stand before you all with immense gratitude and joy to propose the vote of thanks for this inspiring and enriching celebration of Yog Sankalp, a signature initiative that reflects Child Education Society's unwavering commitment to the physical, mental, and emotional wellness of our school community. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Acharya Pratishtha ji for graciously consenting to be our collaborator and for sharing her profound insights into embracing life through the path of yoga. Her presence and wisdom have truly been uplifting. Acharya ji, आपके द्वारा रूपांतरण की प्रेरणा, सकारात्मक जीवन की प्रेरणा आज हम सब अपने साथ लेकर जा रहे हैं. A special thanks to the talented children from Mokshayatan Yog Sansthan, whose mesmerizing yoga performance added grace and energy to our event. Their dedication was evident in every move and truly embodied the spirit of Yog Sankalp. Our sincere thanks to Fit India Movement and to Mr. Rohit Khanna for his participation and endorsement of the Yog Sankalp initiative. Your involvement adds tremendous value and reach to our efforts. A warm thank you to Mr. R.K. Gupta, Secretary Child Education Society, for gracing the occasion. Sir, your presence inspires us and reinforces the importance of mental strength. Also, I would like to place on record our deep appreciation for Mr. L.V. Sehgal, Principal Host Unit and Joint Secretary Child Education Society, who on behalf of the Sports Council has ensured the seamlessly hosting of this event. And sir, your leadership and hospitality, which we are all awaiting, have been instrumental in making this event a huge success. Thank you so much. I'm also thankful to our parents, alumni, teachers, and principals of all Delhi NCR units and all project schools for their wholehearted participation and for standing with us in making Yog Sankalp a true movement towards improving lifestyles and promoting well-being. The vote of thanks remains incomplete if I do not extend my sincere thanks to my dearest friend, Mrs. Geeta Gangwani, Principal Rohini Unit, for her dedicated efforts in coordinating this event in collaboration with Mokshayatan Yog Sansthan. A special note of appreciation also goes to the entire team of Bal Bharati Public School, Gangaram Magh, for their tireless support in assisting the Sports Council in planning and executing the event with efficiency and care. A special thanks and a big round of applause to the children of all Delhi NCR units for giving such mesmerizing yoga presentations. And lastly, my gratitude, my deepest gratitude to the Chairman Sports Council and President Child Education Society. Sir, your unwavering guidance and constant encouragement have always been the wind beneath our wings. Under your mentorship, the Sports Council continues to grow and thrive, reaching new heights with every initiative. To everyone present today, thank you for your support, your presence, and your belief in the vision of Yog Sankalp. Let us all continue to walk the path of wellness, balance, and self-awareness that yoga so beautifully offers. योग एकता की भावना है. जब हम स्वयं से जुड़ते हैं, तभी हम संसार से जुड़ते हैं. On this note, namaskar, Jai Hind, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those very kind words. We extend our deepest gratitude to each one of you for graciously sharing your precious time with us on this momentous occasion. Your esteemed presence has brought warmth and meaning to our gathering, enriching the spirit of this event. We remain profoundly thankful for the unstinting support and encouragement which inspire us to strive even higher. And now, may I request everyone to rise for the national anthem.